You ever feel like your car has a mind of its own? Maybe it's pulling to one side, or you notice the steering wheel isn't quite straight, even when you are. Well, that's not just a little annoyance. It's a big clue that your wheel alignment is off. Today, we're going to dig into why that matters so much for your safety and your wallet, and how the right tech makes all the difference in getting it fixed perfectly. Seriously, think about your last drive. When you were on a straight road, was your steering wheel perfectly centered? Or did you have to hold it slightly off kilter to keep the car straight? Maybe you felt a little pull, a tiny vibration. Those are the kinds of things most of us ignore, but they're often the first whisper of a much bigger problem. Yeah, that crooked steering wheel isn't just some weird quirk your car developed. It's your car's way of screaming for help, telling you its wheels are misaligned. And that doesn't just chew through your tires and burn extra fuel, it can actually affect your car's safety. Fixing it the right way, that takes some serious precision. So, a perfect alignment really boils down to one critical thing: how accurately the equipment can connect to your car in the first place. Believe it or not, the entire high-tech process starts right there, at the wheel. And this is where the genius really kicks in. Forget about those old-school metal clamps that look like they could do some serious damage. With Hunter's patented QuickGrip adapters, it's a whole different ballgame. They snap on in seconds, sure, but the most important thing is how they're designed to be completely safe for your wheels. Okay, let's really get into this, because if you've got custom or expensive wheels, this is a huge deal. The QuickGrip adapter is designed to grab the tire, not the rim. That means zero metal-to-metal contact. No scratches, no gouges, nothing. The spring-loaded arms just give it a snug, secure fit. It's a brilliantly simple idea that protects your investment. Once those adapters are on, 4 patented high-resolution cameras get to work. They lock onto the targets on each wheel and map out their exact position in 3-dimensional space. We're not talking about a ballpark estimate here. This is measurement down to a tiny fraction of a degree. We're talking about pinpoint accuracy. But look, all that amazing, precise data doesn't mean a thing without a powerful brain to make sense of it all. And that's where the software comes in, turning millions of data points into a crystal clear picture of what needs to be fixed. And this is the award-winning WinAlign software. It takes all that camera data and in an instant creates a live 3D model of your car's suspension. This isn't just some generic animation. It's a dynamic digital twin of your vehicle right at that moment. For the technician, it's literally like having X-ray vision into your car's suspension. Now, what's so brilliant about this is how it makes the complicated stuff simple. The software doesn't just show the problem, it shows the solution. Technicians get guided step by step with these super easy-to-follow color-coded graphics. If it's red, it needs an adjustment. When it turns green, it's perfect. It just takes all the guesswork out of the equation. And for you, the person waiting for your car, this translates into some pretty awesome benefits. Because there's no guesswork, the job gets done right the first time. That means faster service, less time with your car stuck on the rack, and that peace of mind you get knowing the result is going to be professional and consistent every single time. But let's be real, cars today are so much more than just engines and wheels. They are packed with sophisticated safety systems, and a proper alignment is more critical for them now than ever before. Just think about all the amazing tech in your car right now. Things like adaptive cruise control that keeps you a safe distance from the car ahead, or lane departure warning. Well, all of those systems rely on sensors that have to be perfectly in sync with the direction the car is actually going. If your wheels are off, those life-saving systems can get totally confused. So, how do you solve that? Hunter uses a critical piece of patented tech called CodeLink. This little device plugs right into your car's diagnostic port and creates a direct link between your car's onboard computer and the alignment machine itself. It basically turns 2 separate systems into one smart, integrated unit. So here's the bottom line. As the technician is adjusting your alignment, CodeLink is making sure all those safety systems are being reset and recalibrated in real time. This is absolutely crucial. It guarantees that your lane keeping assist and your collision avoidance systems are seeing straight and are going to function exactly as the manufacturer designed them to. All right, so the work is done, your wheels are straight, your safety systems are dialed in, and your expensive rims are still flawless. But the job isn't quite over. Now comes the part that gives you total, complete confidence in the work that was just performed. I mean, let's face it, you can't see alignment angles. So how do you really truly know the problem was diagnosed correctly and, more importantly, that it was actually fixed? You really shouldn't have to just take someone's word for it. And this is the answer: the printout.
Think of it like a report card for your car. You get a super clear document that shows you the before measurements, all the problems, highlighted in red, and right beside them, you see the final after measurements, all in beautiful green. It's simple, undeniable proof that the job was done and done right. So when you just boil it all down, the difference is night and day. You're going from a process that might have some guesswork and potential errors to one that's totally driven by data. You go from risking damage to your nice wheels to knowing they're protected. From wondering if your safety systems are working to knowing they've been fully calibrated. And you go from having no proof of the work to walking out with clear, documented results right in your hand. At the end of the day, it's all about getting a professional result that gives you real, tangible benefits. Your car drives straight, which feels great. You get the absolute maximum life out of your expensive tires, which saves you money. And the most important thing of all, you drive with the confidence that all those advanced safety systems are functioning exactly as they were meant to.
So I'll just leave you with this question. The next time your car needs an alignment, maybe it's worth asking what kind of equipment the shop uses. Because knowing they have the right tools means you know the job will be done with precision, with care, and with a result you can actually see for yourself. Drive straight, and more importantly, drive safe.